Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert OST to Zimbra. Search on Google Bitrecover OST Converter Wizard. Click on Download. Install now. Outlook Data Conversion Options Auto-Detect Outlook Data File. Manual Selection of Outlook Data File. This tool supports both OST files and PSD files. We are selecting an OST file for the conversion. Select OST file. Check the files that you want to convert. Click on Zimbra. Select Destination folder. Trail version limitation. Buy or activate product license here. Saving log. Converted Zimbra.tgz file. Click on Preferences. Click on Import/Export. Click on Browse. Select TGZ file. Click on Import. Click on Mail. Folder hierarchy. Converted emails.